Let's talk seam guides and seam allowances for the Singer Fashion Mate 3342 sewing machine. So all patterns have some type of seam allowance that it will state, whether it's a 5/8 inch seam allowance, a 1/4 inch seam allowance, or something that you've determined that's wider, maybe based on the hem that you're doing in a garment, or maybe a hem on a curtain. So first off, number one, if you are looking for a 1/4 inch seam allowance, if you look really close at the regular foot that comes with this machine, you see this little indent and right here where I'm touching. The distance from the center needle position to that line is exactly 1/4 inch. So if you're unsure, just double check. You can see that that is perfectly measured. So if you're doing 1/4 inch seams or quilt piecing together, you can move your fabric to be directly under that line for a perfect 1/4 inch seam. There are 1/4 inch feet available from Singer. So if you would like some other style of foot that's not as wide, you can also find that foot. Next, what comes with the machine is a foot that you can attach like your regular one, but look at how many lines and markings are on the foot, including the part that is adjustable, so you can actually move this out and then have an edge to follow when you actually sew. So if you want to be 1 inch away from the edge of the fabric, you can slide this to your desired width. And then the nice thing too is once you sew a row, especially if you're sewing decorative stitches like I do, you sew a row and you want another row right next to it, you move this over, place the guide right on top of the previous row, and you sew another one perfectly parallel, the same distance over and over and over. Now, another thing that comes with this machine is a seam guide. Now, you do see that this is actually a lot longer than the last foot. Now, there's a place in the back that this actually attaches to the machine. To use it, go ahead and push firmly until it slides into this white area. It's meant to be tight, so then once you get it set, maybe you measure out how wide you want it, then just with a touch or a movement, it doesn't bump it off of the set amount. So again, having multiple rows of stitching can easily follow along for whatever seam allowance you are working with.